Had a great meeting with the team today. We talked about how to 10x. I was just reading a book called 10x is easier than 2x. And I love the thinking, I love the mindset behind that. So the only way really that anybody can 10x their business is if they do what we call READ. You might have heard that before, READ, which is reduce, eliminate, automate, and delegate. And it's amazing how many things you cannot do if you want to really, really grow your business. And if you're like me, I like getting into the weeds of the marketing. I just love to get in and see how I can tinker and all that kind of stuff. But as it turns out, that may not be where my best value is constantly tinkering with the numbers. So if I really want to 10x and really want to scale, then I can only be doing things in my business that matter to my business. And you are in the same boat. So it's whatever those one or two, three things are that bring value to your business, that bring the most value that only you can bring. That's where you should spend most of your time. In fact, there's a nice little crossover. It's things that you're good at, things that you like doing, and things that make you money. Those are the three things. The combination of those three things is what we should all be doing. So here at True Partner, what we do is we help you set that up through really an amazing marketing platform, because there's probably a lot of things in your marketing you feel like you're not getting to, you're not doing. A lot of things in your business you feel like you're not getting to, not doing. And so the True Partner platform helps you reduce, eliminate, automate for sure, and delegate. But now what's cool is some of the new products that are out there and that are built right inside of True Partner actually will do so many things that it's helping a lot of small business owners like yourself eliminate a lot. So if you want to see a demo of what you can do with True Partner to reduce, eliminate, automate, and delegate, so you can, in the end, really get customers, right? That's what it's all about. Easily get customers. But in the end, we don't care about really all the minutia of everything else. It's just, how do I get customers? And how do you get customers? Well, True Partner is a great way to really get that going. So go to truepartnersuccess.com, check it out, and walk through some of the amazing things that you can do to get leads and convert them automatically, and get you on the road to 10x in your business. We've got a lot of cool helps for you out there: how to do great marketing, how to do things simply, how to implement the software, even if you're not techie, that doesn't matter. Lots of things you can do right out of the gate. And we've made it really, really easy for anyone to get inside the True Partner platform, which is starting at $29. I can get in for $29 and then go from there, okay? So super awesome. You're gonna love it. If you want to scale, get any kind of business at all, truepartnersuccess.com is where you wanna be. Get those tools implemented, get rolling. Man, I can't wait to work with you. Talk to you soon.